Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I have my confetti collection box. It feels completely empty in here. I mean, I can't even tell you how light this is. It feels like an empty box. So let's get in here and see what we've got. The confetti collection box is a bi-monthly box that is $19.99, but you pay shipping and handling. I think I pay $5 in shipping and handling. So basically that makes it a $25 box. As a rule, I've always felt like I more than got my money's worth. That said, I watched one unboxing of it the other day, and I think they do variations now, so I could have something different. And I have to admit, when I was done, I thought, I'm not sure this is the box for me anymore. So as we go through this, I'll have to, in the back of my head, think, do I want to keep receiving this box? And you guys will have to let me know if it's something that you want to keep seeing on the channel. Just let me know below. Let's get into this. Let's open it right up. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it's wrapped up with bubble wrap. And then you get your, I've always said, a burrito of stationery. And then it has the shred still. And there's still a lot of shred in here, but much less than there used to be. And it's not just the white shred, it has pretty holographic shred in it too. I hope you can see that. And so I use it for gifts. In gift bags and stuff, it makes excellent stuffing for gift bags. So now we have this pretty little pink bundle, and we will open it right up, and then we see all of our goodies, and it is the same variation that I saw the other day, and it says Confetti Surprise. We have another card up here too. We have cards this month. I'm going to open this bag and take everything out so you don't have to continue to hear it crinkle. Okay, I haven't unpacked everything, but I've taken it all out of that bag. So right off the top, we have 2 greeting cards, and I am always happy for greeting cards because I use the heck out of them. And you know, even if you go to Target, you're probably going to spend $5 or $6 on a card. So in all fairness, 2 cards is half the cost of the box. But Sunny Skies Ahead is what this one says. And this one says, You're Sweet. And what is so cute about these is on this one, her glasses, and on this one, the ice cream cone, are enameled pins that they can take off once they receive the card. So that is really cute. This one says, Sending Sunshine Your Way on the inside. And this one says, Thanks for Being Awesome. Those are cute. Next we have an adjustable C.R. Gibson koozie. And I guess it is a koozie for a water bottle. And it is just, it's kind of a plasticky feel. And the back is Velcro, so I guess you could make it fit a lot of different sized bottles. But it's just a water bottle koozie. Give you something to hold it by. It's kind of interesting. Next we have Touchstones, the little touches of inspiration. It says laugh. Let's see what this is. This seems to be literally just like a piece of ceramic. There's a little thing that you could, it's just a little thing you would touch that says laugh on it. It's just, and the back of it, in all fairness, the back of it is just plain and isn't even a finished ceramic. So they didn't like glaze the whole thing. The back is unglazed. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. If you have any ideas what you're supposed to do with this, let me know below. Next, I have the phone charging stand Cellmate by C.R. Gibson. And the top says, Be strong, I whisper to my Wi-Fi signal. That is what this looks like. And the back says, Stay organized and look stylish doing it. Your Cellmate functions as a place to hold your phone as it charges, as well as a place to prop your phone horizontally or vertically while you watch your favorite videos, movies, or listen to music. And that is how they show you putting it together here. So it's just, it's sealed. I hate to unseal it because I don't think I'm going to use it. But it looks like it's just... Well, I'm intrigued. We have to unseal the top because I can't tell whether it is wood or cardboard, and I want you guys to know. Okay, it appears to be a really lightweight, like balsa wood. So that's at least better. I was afraid it was cardboard. So that is what it looks like out, and it has the little thing that you just, I think you just take these two ends and slide it into these two holes, and it will stand up on that. I mean, it's a cute idea, but I don't know what else to say about it. Moving on, next we have a keychain, and it says, yes, in fact, I am a mermaid. That's kind of cute. My granddaughters love mermaids, so one of them might really enjoy this. It is a big keychain, and you can see that it is, let me show you. It is a mermaid tail. It's very pretty, and then it has the part that I read. It says, yes, I am indeed a mermaid. That's kind of cute. I mean, if you like keychains that are bigger so you can find them in your purse, this is really kind of cute. Next we have hashtag stop hashtag abuse. And that is what that looks like. And it says that it is a leatherette cord pouch. So I guess for keeping your cords together in your purse. Or, oh, it's one of those, remember when you were a little kid and you would have those little coin purses and you could, I might be dating the heck-a-madoo out of myself right now, but there were coin purses that did this when we were young, and they were desirable. We liked them a lot. I like the pouch. I don't have a problem with the pouch. I think that is a great idea. I think that anytime you say the word abuse, it's a little unusual, but stop hashtag abuse. Okay. In all fun, fair enough. Next and last, we have 2 packages of ribbon. And it is woven in the USA, double face, 100% polyester, 1.5 inches wide by 12 inches long. And I have it in a really bright pink. I hope that's coming across. And a really pretty kind of orangey, peachy coral. Maybe if I put them side by side, it'll be easier to tell the pink and the coral. Which is why we got this card to tell us what to do with our ribbon. And they made a belt out of one of them. Well, yeah, they did, because they had a pretty one. They made a belt out of one of them. And she strung beads on one for a necklace. I'm sorry. That, if you know me, you know I'm probably not a... Anyway, this one... Stop it, guys. This one, she took her pretty sweater and she ran the ribbon down through it to make it fashionable. Oh, I might be a little punch drunk here. And I have seen kids do this. They used it for laces and sneakers. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so that's what I have. Let me know below what you think. This is, like I said, a $19.99 bi-monthly box. So, and then I paid $5 to ship it. So I paid $25 for those goodies that you just saw me unpack. The 2 cards, the koozie, the, what they call it? Touchstone ceramic piece. This thing to charge your phone on, a mermaid keychain, the cord keeper, I'm going to get bigger hands, and the 2, I want to call them bolts of ribbon, but they're not bolts of ribbon. Man, I spent so much time in a fabric shop with my mom when I was a kid. I should know what these are. Anyway, tell me below. $25. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Sorry, I got a little silly there at the end. I never thought of all of those things to do with ribbon on my own. Let me know below what you think, if you want me to keep this box on the channel, or if you think oh, that was going to be so mean. Oh, I'm going to say it. Are you ready? Or if you think I could have picked up each one of these items at the dollar store. Let me know what you think below. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I promise I'm never this mean, and I will see you really soon.